Fire protection has become an increasingly important focus area for rail manufacturers and operators. As a leading global supplier of cable protection systems for rail applications, ABB has developed novel, innovative EN 45545-3 compliant fire barrier solutions for combination with its proven cable protection systems. The PMA fire barrier solutions provides a secure and effective barrier against fire, smoke and gas for up to 60 minutes. Use the flexible fire barrier system anywhere on the train where cables are fed through firewalls. In underfloor areas, in passenger areas, in luggage compartments, and in technical cabinets. Without a fire barrier, fire heat and fumes can immediately spread between the compartments and escalates the situation in very short time. The unique PMA fire barrier adapters allow termination of a cable protection system to a firewall. The adapter can be attached directly to the firewall and allows cables to be ducted through the firewall without compromising the integrity and function of the firewall. The intumescent material blocks transport of fire heat and fumes for up to 30 minutes, in accordance to EN 45545-3. The intumescent material swells when exposed to heat up to 40 times its original volume, sealing all cavities around and between the cables, preventing the propagation of fire and transport of smoke and gas along the cable protection system. Your key benefits with a PMA fire barrier solution: fire safety according to EN 45545-3. A complete fire barrier solution for higher protection. A flexible, easy-to-install system for all ranges of installation. An effective barrier for up to 30 minutes. To fit all your requirements, the PMA fire barrier portfolio from ABB offers you 2 more fire protection solutions for your total planning and installation flexibility. The PMA strain relief fitting with special fire-resistant clamping elements which provide a secure and effective barrier for up to 15 minutes. A PMA solution for use in combination with Roxtec sealing modules provide an effective barrier for up to 60 minutes. For maximum safety, the innovative PMA fire barrier solutions from ABB for the rail industry.